Hey guys, and welcome back to Coder Gautam. In this video, we're going to be doing some JavaScript, and we're going to be learning about the setTimeout method and the setInterval method. So these are both methods in JavaScript that are used for waiting in JavaScript, and so we're going to be learning the similarities and differences of these two methods and how they can be used. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's learn about the setTimeout method. So the setTimeout method, basically what it does is that it waits the specified number of milliseconds, then it runs the function inside like this. So the setTimeout function takes two parameters, the function to run after the time is over, and the number of milliseconds to wait. So in this case, it's going to alert hello after 3 seconds is done. So let's write code with this setTimeout function. So let's go to JS Fiddle, and here we can use the setTimeout function. So let's do setTimeout, and inside here let's type in our two parameters. Well, the first one is going to be the function to run after the time specified is over. So let's do function. We don't really have to call it anything. And inside here, what I like to do is just put a bunch of line breaks so that you can write your code will be easier to read. So let's do an alert. Let's say 1 second has passed. So that's the first parameter. Now let's give our second parameter, which is how many seconds to wait. So since it's 1 second and 1 second is 1,000 milliseconds, so we can put 1,000 here. So what should happen is that after 1 second, it should alert 1 second has passed. So let's go ahead and test it out. So, and 1 second has passed, so we got the alert. So even if we do any number of seconds, this will still work. Say we do 2 seconds, so now it'll just wait a bit longer, and it says 1 second has passed. Obviously that's not the case. So anyways, that's the setTimeout function. So you can basically use it to wait any number of milliseconds before running something, and it's actually a pretty useful feature in many of your applications. So now let's take a look at the setInterval function. So the setInterval function is basically like the setTimeout, but the only difference is that it runs constantly. So unlike the setTimeout function, where it only alerted 1 second has passed once, this will alert many times. And I'll show you guys an example here. So the setInterval also takes the same parameters as the setTimeout. So it's actually really easy for us to switch between the two functions. So setInterval, like that. Always make sure the I is capped. I usually make mistakes like that, and it doesn't work if you put your I like this. So just to avoid bugs. So anyways, so basically what this will do is that every 2 seconds, so let's change this like 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds, it will keep on doing this alert. So it won't just stop once, but keep on doing this again and again. So we can wait 2 seconds, and then again, 2 seconds later, again, like that. You can't really stop it, and the only way to stop it is by using the clear interval function, and we won't be talking about that in this video, but we will do that in later videos. So where the set interval is really useful is for making games, because obviously in games you would want to refresh the frame constantly, and this is really useful to refresh constantly. This also works well with jQuery Ajax, and that's because you can use jQuery Ajax and setInterval to keep on updating data from the database, and which is also really useful in games. So yeah guys, that's the difference between the setInterval and the setTimeout. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below and I will answer them as soon as I can. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like and share it with as many people as you can, so that they also know about these really important functions in JavaScript. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, and can we get 465 subs? If we could, that would be great, and I'll see you in the next video, and goodbye.